Good morning, good guys. Hi, I'm here at Vine Residences in Novaliches, Quezon City. So, nasa likod lang siya na SM Novaliches. Walking distance lang siya. And Vine Residences have 5 towers. So, lahat na po dito is ready for occupancy units na siya. At 5% down payment para makapag-move in ka. Plus, the additional discount that we have is 10% promo discount. Okay? 5% discount, 5% down payment. So, halos 160 plus lang yon. Pwede ka na mag-move in. Pwede mo na siya pa Airbnb. And your monthly payment is estimated around 23 to 24,000 monthly. Okay? So, i-turn ko lang yung camera. Ayan siya. So, nasa gitna ko. The amenity area. Okay, ayan, gitna. Nasa harap yung Tower 1, of course. This one, nasa dulo is the Tower 3, nasa right side ko. And then is the Tower 4. Okay, nasa gilid, Tower 5. And the Tower 2, ayan. And Tower 1, yun po yung sa gitna. And sa likod niyan, yan na po yung harap ng SM Novaliches. Okay? So, ayan po yung gitna natin, amenity area natin. Yan, nililinis po yan everyday. So, now po kasi we have a client. So, waiting po kami. While waiting, update po muna ako. Ayan, busy po ang ating mga maintenance to clean the area. Yan siya. So, yan po yung mga towers natin. Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3, Tower 4, nasa tower yung mock-up unit natin, and the Tower 5. Okay, so yung mga available units dito is 2 bedrooms flat type. Ayan. For more details, site viewing of this project, Vine Residences po, okay, just message us lang to schedule. Thank you for watching. Bye!